Homemade body tan. If you love being tan year-round but weren't lucky enough to be born with a deep, bronzed skin tone, you have probably spent too much time and money trying to achieve that perfect tan. The sun and tanning beds can cause irreversible damage to your skin, and Sunless tanning products can have a horrible smell and include toxic chemicals. If you want to save money and avoid commercial sunless tanning products, I suggest you learn how to make your own sunless tanning products. You can make them at a fraction of the cost of their store-bought counterparts. Plus, you know exactly what is going into them and what you're putting on your precious skin. The best part about making your own lotion is that you will avoid the weird orange color that sometimes comes from store-bought products. You can customize the exact color you want by changing the recipe up just a little. It is less expensive than its store-bought counterpart. The recipes contain no harsh chemicals. 1. Cocoa Powder Sunless Tanning Lotion. This is the simplest sunless tanning lotion to make. It only requires 2 ingredients, unscented white lotion and 100% pure cocoa powder. You can use any cocoa powder as long as it says 100% pure on the label. Ingredients: unscented white lotion, 100% pure cocoa powder. Instructions: start out by combining 1/2 cup of unscented white lotion in a bowl with 1/3 cup of pure cocoa powder. Mix with a fork. Make sure to break up any clumps and blend well. Adjust the recipe to match your desired color. The lotion will appear darker in the bowl than it will on your skin. Keep adding a little bit of cocoa powder at a time until you reach your desired shade. Smooth the tanning lotion over your entire body evenly. Apply daily for a gradual deep tan. Tips: store homemade lotion in a Tupperware container or in an empty jar that once held lotion. Choose a moisturizing lotion for added benefits. Exfoliate before application. The lotion will look very dark when you make it, but it does not show up that darkly on your skin. If you're afraid to make it too dark, just use the standard 1/2 cup lotion and 1/3 cup cocoa and keep adding layers until it is as dark as you want it. You will be able to see the color as you apply it. 2. Coffee or tea. Homemade sunless tanning lotion. For this tanning lotion, you can choose to use coffee or tea. It's common knowledge that these drinks can stain your teeth, leaving an undesired effect. They can also stain your skin, leaving you with a beautiful tan color. No matter which one you chose, make sure you use the caffeinated type, not the decaf. The caffeine can actually help firm and tighten the skin to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and even cellulite. Ingredients: either coffee grounds or tea bags. Caffeinated, unscented white lotion. Instructions: brew coffee or tea just like you normally would. If using coffee, use enough grounds for an entire pot but only enough water to make 1 cup. If using tea, use enough tea bags, typically 3 to 4, to make a gallon of tea, but only about 1 cup of water. This is typically 3 to 4 family-sized tea bags. Mix enough lotion and coffee tea to get your desired color. The more coffee or tea you add, the darker your tan will develop. Put the resulting mixture in a spray bottle and apply it. Tips: make sure to shake well before each use. Use weekly or bi-weekly for best results. If you would like to, you don't even have to add the lotion. The tea-coffee liquid works just fine on its own. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.